Hey Facebook world, this is Focus with a quick how-to video on how to create your Amazon Smile account to help support Focus. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to type in the address bar smile.amazon.com and then you'll hit enter. This is taking you to the same Amazon that you shop with normally. It's just linked to your charity. So once you're in, I've already got mine set up, but what you will do is you'll go to Accounts and Lists, go to Your Amazon Smile. From here, you'll see a box that says Your Current Charity. You'll click right there that says Change Charity. Then you'll go right here to pick your own charitable organization, and you type in Fellowship of Christians United for Service. Then you'll click Search. We are the first one that will pop up. Make sure that it says Hamilton, Georgia, and then you click Select. And now you're set up to where all of your Amazon Smile purchases will go to make a donation to Focus of Hamilton. Make sure when you are shopping with Amazon that you type in smile.amazon.com for you to shop and have the donation made. Thanks so much. Have a wonderful day.